Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Here visiting a little farm. Got 7 goats on this pasture. Got a little run in for them, keep them out of the weather. These all look to be Boyer goats. These are from South Africa, is where I think they first started these goats. It's a good all-around goat, good meat goat. Have a lot of twin births. And this gentleman, he's going to expand his herd. See one Billy. I think that's him right there. He's still intact. But nice looking goats. You just have to keep goats warm real good. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. God bless.